Hey, what's up, guys? Whatever. Yeah, today is, well, I guess to probably explain a bit. Me and my little brother, Ty, the one who got my old bike, what we're doing is, well, with all this Corona and all that shit, you have to, like, it's limited groups, whatever, I don't actually know, but you're only allowed so many people. So we're friends with this guy that owns a track, and yeah, they're having kind of a ride day, and we got an invite, and it's supposed to be kind of like exclusive or whatever. I don't fucking know, but yeah, we got invited to that. So on Sunday we're going there, and yeah, we decided, like, you know what, that's 3 hours away. That's a pretty long drive for just one thing. So then we thought, you know what, let's make a whole fucking weekend out of this. So what we're doing is, the original plan was Saturday we were going to go to a track called Chaos. That one is, I love that track. That's a really good track. When it's nice and groomed, that track is sick. But we're going to Chaos for the first night, and then we're staying at a hotel. We're going Chaos Saturday, and then we're going to B3 on the next day. Yeah, that's our plan. And that was originally the plan, but then tonight my dad tilled up the track, and it looks mint out there. I haven't actually gone out there yet, but just looking at it, it looks amazing. So yeah, I figured, you know what, let's start it a day early. Why the fuck not? So that's what we're doing today. You know what? I'm done talking. Let's actually just go ride. While I'm getting ready, I figured I'd show this off. I do kind of plan on making a video or something about this in the future, but in the meantime, I just got this, and it's I think a Dango chin mounts or whatever. And yeah, I just want to kind of put that out there that if some of these clips look like shit, it's because I'm still trying to figure out what angle to put this at, all that stuff. But I've seen some clips, and these things look pretty sweet, so I am pretty excited of how this looks. Charging my old GoPro, or my other GoPro, and putting it in this case, which the thing broke, so I'm just using the zip tie or whatever. And I'm putting that on my chesty, and I'm giving that to my brother. So for the first time, you get to listen to him talk all fucking day like I do.
Take off your helmet or anything?
What?
You have to take off anything?
It goes around your chest. Why would you need to take off your helmet?
Oh, I see.
Okay, it's like a little backpack kind of. This goes on your back. Do you need help?
Yeah, pass me the thing.
Put your arm through that. There you go.
So it's on?
Yes.
It's rolling?
It's recording.
Use this too.
Yes, I know. I turned it on because I didn't think this would take so long. Thought you were smarter than that.
Shut up!
Woo! First kick, baby! Woo, hoo, hoo, hoo. Oh, it's fucking smoking. This is deep. This is fucking sick. Still gotta warm up my bike though, so I'm not gonna chase him. Oh shit. Alright, that might be a problem. How are you, buddy?
I'm doing good, buddy. This is way down.
What? Nice. I hope it was like that the whole time. I think I knocked it down on that jump on like my second lap. So like my warm-up lap, I wasn't even going hard. So I think I missed all of that. All right, I'm gonna go do like, I don't know, 3 more hot laps, then let's fuck around. Because I don't know how long it's gonna be till it starts raining, because I can see it's raining over there.
Hey, bro.
Yes. I'm just gonna fucking stand in and take off. Nope. I'm gonna close my eyes, so if you hit me, it's your fault.
Get out of the way.
Go around. I own this track. Let's go put down some heaters and then take a break, because I already got arm pump. I just want to get in front of Ty so that I don't get held up behind him and have to make a dirty pass. I am gooning it up out here. I haven't pushed that hard in a while. My hands are fucking stiff. Oh, that's fun though. This track is mint right now. Shit. That was really fucking easy. I don't know why I was scared. Let's try it again. Oh shit, nope, that's not it. Alright, he's fucking around, I'll just go. Shit, I flat landed that between the quad. I can definitely make that, but I don't want to try it today. Of course. Alright, I hit the triple, and I don't wanna push myself too hard that I can't ride tomorrow, so let's fuck around. Alright, well, you can't really see it, but the rain's starting to come down pretty good now. It's getting kind of cold, so I think I might go in and I'll decide what to do from there.
They don't stop the squirt, boys.
One last whip though. Alright, that one wasn't good enough. I'm gonna try to huck it this lap. Alright, that one was a lot better. I'm gonna give it one last try.
That felt cool. It probably wasn't.
Alright, it's coming down pretty good now. I'm getting really cold. Ooh.
Oh, might as well pack it in. Yes, what's that?
Hey, buddy. There he is. What a good dog. Who is that? Go get him.
What's up, bitch? You male dog. Ah, fuck.
All right, well, we're done riding for the day, but yeah, we got a bit of a long night ahead of us, getting everything packed for the weekend, and I just had to take a second to appreciate this bike. This thing is so fucking sexy. I love this thing. Holy shit. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like we came in just in time. Like it is coming down good right now. We have been loading bikes and doing like work on bikes, like filters, oil, all, I don't know, a bunch of little shit like that. So yeah, we've been doing stuff like that for the last probably 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours. I don't know, not 5, but like probably 4 hours, whatever. Anyways, yeah, it was pretty boring, pretty long. So I figured I'm not gonna bother recording any of that. It's not interesting, I guess, I don't know. But here we go. Got all the bikes loaded, or I guess we have both of the bikes loaded. And we're almost ready to go. It's pretty fucking sick. Everything's packed in there and it's all clean and it is ready to go. As you can see, we are packed pretty tight in there. We got all the gear piled up in here. There we go. So that's pretty good. Oh, fuck, that's my bad. I am super excited to go, but for now, I am just gonna go to bed. So see you guys tomorrow morning. Just to let you guys know, we keep our stuff locked, so don't rob it.
Your love is suicidal. I thought that we were meant to be. You took my heart and made it bleed. I gave you all my ecstasy.